In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restart Bluebeam. Restarting Bluebeam Revu is a simple way to clear minor glitches, refresh the interface, and get your tools behaving the way you expect. If markups feel laggy, a panel won't load, or a PDF isn't responding as usual, a quick restart is often all you need. First, save and close any open PDFs in Bluebeam Revu. This protects your work and prevents file conflicts when the application shuts down. If you see an asterisk on a tab, that means there are unsaved changes. Click Save or Save, as if you want to store a copy in a different location. If Bluebeam prompts you to save when closing, choose the appropriate option so your markups and measurements are preserved. It's a good habit to double check that each important file has been saved before moving on. Next, close Bluebeam by clicking the X in the top right corner of the main application window. This ensures the entire program exits, not just an individual document tab. If you have multiple tabs or panels open, closing the main window will shut them all down cleanly. Avoid minimizing the window or closing only a single PDF, since that won't restart the application itself. Now, wait a few seconds to make sure Bluebeam fully closes. Give it a moment to finish releasing any files and background processes. You may notice the Bluebeam icon disappearing from the taskbar as it completes the shutdown. This brief pause helps prevent errors like locked files or incomplete sessions when you reopen the program. A short, patient wait here leads to a smoother restart. Finally, reopen Bluebeam Revu from the desktop icon or the start menu. Double-click the desktop shortcut if you have one. If not, press the Start key, type Bluebeam Revu, and select the version you use. When it launches, the interface should be refreshed and ready for you to continue working. Open your PDFs again from your recent files, File Explorer, or the File menu, and confirm your markups are intact. That's all it takes to restart Bluebeam Revu. Save and close your PDFs, close the app with the X, wait a moment, and open it again. Keep this quick reset in your toolkit for the times when a simple refresh can save you time and restore performance. If you found this helpful, try this restart first the next time something feels off, and you'll often be back on track in seconds.